Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an eggless single serving chocolate cake recipe made without Maida. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a mug, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Add in 4 tablespoon milk of your choice. Today I'm using cashew milk. I have already shared many different vegan milk options. Please do check them out. Links will be updated below this video. If you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk, you can use dairy milk instead. 2 tablespoon raw sugar, 1/8 teaspoon instant coffee powder, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt. With a fork, give this all a good mix. Add in 2 tablespoon cacao powder, 1/3 teaspoon baking powder, 3.5 tablespoon khapli wheat flour. I prefer to use khapli wheat in my recipes. However, you can use whole wheat flour instead. I've already shared many recipes using khapli wheat along with its health benefits. For those who are new to khapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule. Khapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat. And with a fork, I'm giving this all a good mix. Add in 3 tablespoon chocolate chips and give this all a good mix. Now the best thing about single serving cakes are you don't have to share it with anyone. But if you have someone special, you can definitely share this cake. At this moment, I have already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm also sprinkling in about a tablespoon of chocolate chips on top. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or you can microwave until done. And my super healthy eggless single serving chocolate cake is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate cake and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.